Very good. So don't forget, if your teacher at school will ask you, Ethan, what are the letters under vowel? So you will just share your teacher the A, E, I, O, U. Okay? What is the sound of letter A?
Ayan po, time check. 9:40 ng gabi.
How about letter
Nagtututor
E?
pa si Joy.
What's the sound of letter E?
Nagdo-document ko lang po.
What's the sound of letter E?
Gabi na.
What's E? Letter E?
Gabi na, gabi na.
E. Very good. What? What's the sound of letter I? E. O. 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 Well, how about letter U? What's the sound of letter U? Ah. 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 Umbrella. Like that. What's the sound of letter U? Can I hear it?
Si Kian is there.
Umbrella.
Nagtututbrush na
So now,
dahil may matutulog na siya at may pasok pa bukas.
I will ask, okay, now let's go.
Ayan, tapos ito si Javier ay sige, kung ano yun, gumagawa ng assignment niya dahil bukas ay may pasok na siya ulit.
In the ratio 1:1, distribute 64 chocolates into Jack, Leah chocolates into Jack, Leah, and Dave, considering the given ratio. This is an example of a part-then portion.
Ayan, pinapakita ko lang po sa inyo mga ka-ballers ang mga kaganapan dito.
7,
So talagang medyo
10,
ito ang routine namin.
12,
So
13,
sana po ay tuloy-tuloy lang po yung support niyo po sa vlog ko,
15,
sa buong family namin. And sana po ay nasa mabuting lagay ang lahat. After 5 to 10 minutes, nagtututbrush pa rin si Kian.
If your teacher will ask,
Ito po ang mga ka-baller shirt ko. Ayan po ang mga nag-order sa akin.
A consonant
And
letter,
waiting na
what will you answer?
ipa-deliver sa kanila.
Yes or no? Listen to teacher, the baby. Listen to teacher. Is
Ito, share ko lang po yung family picture namin. Way back many years ago. And watch ilay pa itsura ko dyan. Tapos si
very good.
Si, ano,
Next one. Is
JC,
letter Z
batang-bata
a vowel
pa.
letter? Is it a vowel? Vowel? No. Remember, we just only have 5, huh? We just only have 5. Or just like here. Oh, look at Teacher Joy. Look at my example here. The 2. Ethan, what are the 2? Consonant and vowels. Oh, tell me. I will put a circle on this one and tell me if it's consonant or vowels. Okay? I put circle on
Ang
the
t-shirt ni Joy, hinaram niya sa akin. February 2020 pa na bowling t-shirt.
The A. Oh, what is this?
2025 na po ngayon na mga ka-ballers ha.
Letter E? What's that? Letter E is a vowel. Very good. So now I will be showing you a picture and tell me if the picture or the starting letter of the picture starts with a consonant or a vowel, okay? I will show you a flashcard, some pictures. Are you ready, Kuya?
Pang isang family pic namin. Ayan.
Wow! You're so good. Oh, I just
Flex ko
want
lang po yung lola ko.
to
Ayan.
remember everything.
I
Huh?
miss you, Lola Loli.
Okay, next one. Ethan, what is this? What is in the... Okay, Ethan, what animal is this? Goat. Oh, what's the letter that starts with the word goat? For the word goat. What letter is that, Arlene? It's letter... Is it a consonant or a vowel? The goat. What's the starting letter of for the word apple? Is it consonant or vowel? Very good. Okay, give yourself 10
So mga ka-ballers, ito po yung labas namin. Ay, ang dilim. Hindi kita yung mga between. Okay, narinig ko na si Joy na nagsalita ng ano, see you later. Break time. Break time ni Joy.
58, 59, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ayan.
10 minutes break.
Time check.
9:56.
Ano, 9:50 na.
Hi mga kaballers!
Ilaw.
Ipo-promote ko lang po yung aking Learning Minds online tutorials. So, we are already nationwide, international acclaimed. Kasi meron na tayong Dubai, yan. Meron na tayong UAE, meron na tayong Austria, meron tayong USA, meron tayong Qatar. Ayan, mga Middle East. Parang Middle East yun, di ba?
Oo.
Mga Middle East and mga taga-Pilipinas. So,
Meron ka rin Hong Kong, di ba?
meron din akong Hong Kong pala. Ayan. Mga Finland.
Shoutout mo yung mga nanay.
Shoutout po
Mga
mga
mababait.
kapitbahay na every uwi nila nagpapaano talaga sila na hindi nakakalimot to invite kami kanina pa. Teacher Eunice, thank you very much for your unending kasipagan. Anytime na kailangan ko ng teacher, ikaw lagi yung nandyan. Teacher Jules, so mga teachers ko na dalawa, Teacher Jules and Teacher Erica. Okay guys, ipopromote ko lang yung aking FB page. So, pero unang-una, supportahan natin yung Kaballer page. And then follow with my Facebook page, Learning Minds Online Tutorials. So, dito nyo po ako pwedeng i-PM. Kung gusto nyo po, we have 10 sessions and 20 sessions sa murang halaga. Okay, mga kaballers, magbababay na ako kasi babalik na ako sa work. And naka-break ako 10 minutes. So, this is my last class. Meron lang akong two classes ngayong Sunday. And ito na yung last ko. So, salamat sa pagsuporta nyo kay Kaballer, mga kaballers. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kaballer's YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok accounts. Bye!